Haka jing Rakhe ba ipu ipeng bha ka St. Edmund'S College Shillong haka Centenary unai wing ka yo ban Rakhe ka jing dapshi spa snam ka college. Kumbar chupen kan mau ya kani ka college la seng haka snam khat khandai spa ar but nado ka te ka snam ka college ka sedang manyat chaprang hakiliang ka puli puthi but wat labon ka jing ba ka te ka college ka ya kendo hapadeng ki khandai snam baladap. Hagani kasngi menteri ka tanat puli puthi ka jela ubalak men rumbui kumukong san haba jingkran hagani kasngi uang ba ude uwe ni ki khna baladap light hagani ka college bat kata house nam khat khandai spa prapo hundriu nakaliang urumbui ula kentui ki samla puli baki de banong ki batrai shitam haba kirang don haka jing puli hagani kasngi la yo ru ban penkup buram ki non teaching staff ladan lang hagani kasngi kinong hikai jong ka school bat college rengkat ki samla puli jong kani ka college.
Type of thing which happened in St. Edmund'S teach me. Not only that, St. Edmund'S as an institution teach each and every one of us to be able to stand on our feet. World is full of challenge. My dear student, nowadays many youth they are telling that life there is not much opportunity. Life is plenty of opportunity. Whoever thought that 1.5 years of COVID would open so many avenues for the people to explore, for the people to venture. It is all in the mindset. So St. Edmund'S teach you, give you the best education, and that education you get here open a horizon of thought for you to explore. That is the most important thing. Education, if you are BA honors in political science or in subject, should not confine your thought only on political science. It will empower you to think beyond. Whoever thought that until and unless you prepare yourself, it is very difficult to meet the challenge. Whoever thought that the Grand Old Ambassador car, have to wait for 6 months to get delivery. And in few years when Maruti come, just vanish. Because why? It could not withstand the competition. So St. Edmund'S has teach you. Education give you how to be competitive. Prepare yourself. And one more thing which you should remember, that there is nothing inferior or superior.